Is the next one environment or water? What's the next function? Water. So under water, we have 4 KPIs. How would you rate your county government in giving you access to clean and safe water whenever you need it? How would you rate your county government in the construction, management of sewer systems in your towns? How would you rate your county government in preparedness for fires, accidents, floods, and other calamities? Are your county governments constructing and maintaining drainage systems for rain water? And how would you gauge that? And how would you gauge your county government in proper garbage collection, management, and disposal? That is what we have under water management. Number 1 county, ni Murang'a with 55, followed by Kiambu, followed by Kisii at number 3 with 50, Kirinyaga at number 4, tying with Nyeri at 49%. Who are the other counties that did well in this particular function? We see that we have, after number 6, we have Makueni, Tharaka Nithi, Trans Nzoia, Trans Nzoia at 48, and that is number 6. Then number 9, we have Elgeyo Marakwet, Homa Bay, Uasin Gishu, Kisumu, Embu and Machakos at number 9 to number 14. We have Nakuru, Nyandarua, Taita Taveta as well, with a mean index of 44. That is followed by number 18, because we have a huge tie. And there we have Bungoma, we have Kwale, Migori, Nairobi City, Nandi, and West Pokot in water management with 43%, followed by Garissa, Kakamega, Kilifi, Kitui, and Meru respectively. The top most improved counties are Nandi, we have Garissa, we have Nyandarua, we have Kericho, we have Meru, who have moved between 21 and 12 ranks. Which region was pleased with water 2020 vis-a-vis 2026? We see that in 2020, Nairobi had the best mean, which was 49, followed by Western with 49 as well. So those were the top 2. That changed in 2023. We have Central at 52, then Rift at 49, tying with Nyanza. And again, we see in 2024, it is Central, followed by Nyanza, and then Western with 44. And right now, we have significant difference. Central has the highest satisfaction with water management. That is at 50. It is followed at 44% mean index by Nyanza, and then 43 by Nairobi and Rift Valley. The top counties by region are as follows. At the coast, for water management and sanitation management, we have Taita Taveta at number 1. Number 2 is Kwale, and number 3 is Kilifi. In northeastern, it's Garissa, followed by Wajir and Mandera. And then in eastern, we have a tie between Makueni and Tharaka Nithi at 48%, and then we have Embu at 45. Then in central, we have Murang'a, we have Kiambu at number 2, and then Kirinyaga and Nyeri tie at number 3. Rift Valley, we have Trans Nzoia, we have Elgeyo Marakwet and Uasin Gishu tying at number 2. Then in Western, it is Bungoma that is top, and then Kakamega is number 2, and Vihiga is number 3. In Nyanza, it is Kisii with 50, Homa Bay with 47, Kisumu with 46. In environment, if we move to environment, we have 2 indicators. How would you rate the county government in protecting and conserving natural resources such as forests and water towers? And how would you rate your county government in involving residents in conservation of the environment through tree planting and gabion building, etc.? Number 1 in environment is Trans Nzoia with 55%. Trans Nzoia, are you here? Yes. And then you have a tie with Murang'a, 55%. Then we have Makueni at 54, and is tying with Kiambu, and tying also with Tharaka Nithi. Those are the top 5. We clap for them. They are well ahead of the mean index, which we see there at 49. And the top 25 counties are there. We can see that after Tharaka Nithi, we have Elgeyo Marakwet, we have Homa Bay, and Uasin Gishu at number 6. Then we have at number 9, Kakamega, Kirinyaga, Nyeri, Taita Taveta. And then we have at number 13, Kericho, Kisii, Kisumu, Kwale, and Nandi. And then Bungoma, Embu, Kilifi, and Vihiga at number 18, followed by Machakos, Nakuru, Narok at number 22, and number 25 is Lamu in environment and natural resources with 48%. The most improved counties are Kakamega, Taita Taveta, Mombasa, Nyamira, Busia, Kajiado, and Kwale in this particular function. You can see how they have moved within the ranks between 2024 and 2026. The best county in this environmental function, or at least the county that was given the best region, that was given the best index, was Western in 2020 with 53, followed by Eastern. And then that didn't change in 2023. We still had Western at 52, tying with Rift Valley, and 51 for Nyanza closely following them. Then in 2024, it shifted. Central got the best rating with 49, followed by Rift Valley with 48, and Nyanza at 46, Western at 45. And this year, we still have Central with 52 as the mean index for the region. Then we have Western with 50, Nyanza at 49, tying with Coast at 49, and Rift Valley at 48. The top counties in environment at the coast are Taita Taveta, Kwale, and Kilifi. Those are the top 3. Then in northeastern, it's Garissa, Wajir, and Mandera. In eastern, we have Makueni tying with Tharaka Nithi at 54. Then we have Embu. And in central, we have Murang'a, we have Kiambu, and Kirinyaga. In Rift Valley, we see that it's Trans Nzoia that's top, followed by Elgeyo Marakwet and Uasin Gishu. Whilst in western, the top county in environment is Kakamega, and then we have Bungoma and Vihiga tying. And in Nyanza, the top county in environment is Homa Bay with 53, Kisii with 51, tying with Kisumu.